You see a new tool out there and you're really not sure what it does or if it'll actually work for you. I mean, it worked for them, sure, but does that mean it's going to work for you? I work with a lot of companies and I'm going to put them in two generic categories right now. Company A, they see the new tools, they research a little bit, they reach out to someone in their network that they trust, and then they arm themselves with guaranteed trial offers, demos, and they set up a plan for success, which means if the tool doesn't perform, they don't buy. And then you have company B who has that fear looming over top, and they stop from ever trying. Now, these are two types of companies that I often work with in manufacturing. Company A, I mean, they have fear, it's present, but they work through it, and they do so by arming themselves with information and building relationships on trust. Company B, on the other hand, just maybe they're not aware. I'm not really sure what's missing there. What category do you find yourself in? Company A or Company B? As a journeyman machinist, when I was working on the floor, I was always at home, up late, searching for that content, and that's the reason that I have a YouTube channel. Here's some of the videos that I've put out since February 2021. I did start videos before, but funny enough, I let fear get in my way, and then I realized that I've got to push past that fear. I can't let it stop me. I didn't let it stop me on the shop floor, and I'm not going to let it stop me from helping you. You're here watching this video because you want to find out what's actually working to help remove that fear, and I'm here to help disappear it for you. Let's work together, set you up for success like Company A. And hey, don't forget to pop over to YouTube, link below, and hit subscribe. Let's bring that 60 over 100. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.